Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. It's the 16th match in round 1 and the scores are Clarendon College on 4 and Wolmer's Girls on 2. It's now time for the speed challenge in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Wolmer's Girls, it's time for your first minute. Name the leader who was the son-in-law of the biblical character Jethro.
Moses.
Correct. What is the name for the branched processes that extend from a neuron's cell body?
Glomerulus.
No, dendrites. Form an adjective from gloss.
Glossy.
Correct. Who is the Prime Minister of Finland?
Salinista.
No, Sana Marin. What is the capital of Lebanon?
Lesotho.
No, Beirut. Who is the Member of Parliament for Northern Trelawney in Jamaica?
Toba Hamilton.
Correct. Which artist recorded the song Circles?
Taylor Swift. Post Malone.
No, wrong answer came first. Post Malone. What is the formula for sodium bromide?
NaBr.
Correct. The sum of which 3 consecutive numbers is 69.
Pass.
22, 23, and 24. Who was the lead actress in the movie Judy?
Pass.
Renee Zellweger. In which war was the Battle of San Juan Hill fought?
Pass.
Spanish-American War. Which city hosted the 1960 Summer Olympics?
Mexico City.
Incorrect. That would be Rome, and that's the end of the first minute for Wolmer's Girls. Now we go to Clarendon College for their first minute. Clarendon College. Dinah was the daughter of which female in the Bible?
Jacob.
Incorrect. Leah. What is the name for the movement of molecules from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration?
Division.
Correct. From which verb is the noun creation?
Create.
Correct. Who's the Prime Minister of New Zealand?
Jacinda Ardern.
No, Jacinda Ardern. What is the capital of Malaysia?
Kuala Lumpur.
Correct. Who is a Member of Parliament for Eastern Westmoreland in Jamaica?
George Wright.
No, Daniel Lawrence. Which artist recorded the song Don't Start Now?
What's that now?
Taylor Swift.
No, Dua Lipa. What is the formula for sodium chromate?
Na2CO4.
Correct. The sum of which 3 consecutive odd numbers equals 39.
Odd. So. 11, 13, 15.
Correct. Who was the lead actress in the movie Harriet?
Harriet.
Daniel Radcliffe.
No, Cynthia Erivo. In which war was the Battle of Thames fought? And that would be the War of 1812. That brings us to the end of the first minute for Clarendon College. Now back to Wolmer's Girls for their second minute. Wolmer's Girls. What is another name for Snell's law?
Law of refraction.
Yes. How do you say let's eat in Spanish?
Vamos comer.
Vamos a comer. Which Caribbean author wrote the novel The Schoolmaster?
Mervyn Morris.
No, Earl Lovelace. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Feast today?
Pass. Starve tomorrow.
No, famine tomorrow. In the Bible, which psalm begins like this? The earth is the Lord's and the
24.
fullness thereof. Correct. What is the name of the part of a plant seed that provides nutrition for the developing plant embryo?
Plumule.
No, endosperm or cotyledon. Corvine is an adjective which refers to which animal?
Sheep.
No, deer. Who is the president of the European Parliament?
Robert Melson.
No, Davis Sassoli. What is the name given to the art and science of cultivating gardens?
Herb.
No, horticulture. What is the name for a negative electric charge?
Electron.
No, that's incorrect. Anion. And that's the end of the second minute for Wolmer's Girls. Now we go back to Clarendon College for their second minute. Clarendon College. Which city hosted the 1948 Summer Olympics?
Athens.
Incorrect. London. Which principle underscores the fundamental relationship of fluid flow?
Viscosity.
Incorrect. Bernoulli's principle. How do you say let's go in Spanish?
Vamos a ir.
No, vamos or vámonos. Which Caribbean author wrote the novel Black Lightning?
James.
Correct. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Pona fret. Correct. In the Bible, which psalm begins like this? Have mercy upon me, O God, according
51.
to... Yes. What is the name of a haploid cell used for sexual reproduction?
Haploid.
Gamete.
Correct. Porcine is an adjective referring to which animal?
Horse.
No, a pig. Who is the president of the European Council?
Malpas.
No, Charles Michel. What is the name given to the science that assumes that the motions of the heavenly bodies have an influence on human affairs?
Astrology.
Correct. What is the name for an electrode where oxidation occurs?
Electrode oxidation. So, anode.
Correct. Which international artist debut? All right, and we will hold that one. End of the second minute for Clarendon College. And now we hop across again to Wolmer's girls. This is their third and final minute. Wolmer's girls, which international artist's debut album was named Thank Me Later?
Pass.
Drake, whose law states that volumes of gases which are equal to each other at the same temperature and pressure will contain equal numbers.
Law.
Pardon?
Amagat's law.
No, Avogadro's. If $140 is divided in the ratio 3:5:6, what is the largest amount?
$60.
Correct. Which Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle wears a blue bandana in the TV
Raphael.
series?
Raphael.
No, Leonardo, who was the first Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda?
Pass.
Verbird Sr. Joshua Kimmich plays for which football club in Europe?
Liverpool.
No, Bayern Munich. Which instrument is used to measure the electrical potential difference between two given points?
Voltmeter.
Correct. What is the meaning of the Spanish preposition después de?
After.
Correct. Who wrote the novel Water with Berries?
Pass.
George Lamming. In which Jamaican parish would you find? And that's the bell. End of the third and final minute for Wolmer's girls. And now we go back to Clarendon College for their third and final minute. Clarendon College, which international artist's debut album was named Show and Prove?
Drake.
No, Wiz Khalifa. What is the name for the ratio of the change in the electric charge of a system to the corresponding change in its electric potential?
Pass.
Capacitance. If $198 is divided in the ratio 4:7, what is the smaller amount?
We have
$88.
Incorrect, $72. Which Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle wears an orange bandana in the TV
Raphael.
series? No, Michelangelo. Who was the first Prime Minister of Grenada?
Maurice Bishop.
Incorrect, Eric Gary. Gabriel Martinelli plays for which football club in Europe?
Barcelona.
No, Arsenal. Which electromechanical instrument is used for detecting and indicating the electric current?
Ampere. Ammeter.
Ether.
No, a galvanometer. What is the meaning of the Spanish preposition debajo de?
Under.
Yes. I believe they came together, so we'll accept that answer. That brings us to the end of the final minute for Clarendon College and the end of our speed challenge. Scores at this time, Clarendon College on 16 and Wolmer's girls on 11. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge which will decide our winners. Do stay tuned. The 16th match in round 1 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.